Hello everyone, today I would like to show you the system I designed on Azure Cloud. This system help you to get the request from the customer from the user, and then the backend system in Azure Cloud will handle the event and send the signal to the equipment, can control the equipment, for example the battery, or control the home device, something like that. Here's I give you example. For example, I had two customer right here, and the signal right now they say, you can see right now they the real-time signal they send to from the device sent to the backend, sent to the Azure cloud right now. For example, this device for this customer, they say status right now. They in program and they send the status of the device, and so this device will get the signal, okay, from the cloud request to stop. For example, right here, okay. And you can see right here the request device stop and the status, the in program, and the rejection rate, the enroll for this program. So every for and another user right here, you can see the answer of the status in, and then so they get the signal from the cloud control device, the request the equipment, okay, right here request the stop. You can see right there, and they can show the status of this customer, right? So this customer, they will to enroll to this program, and after enroll, the backend system will control their equipment. That's the purpose program. For example, the power in the summertime, the power company, they want to reduce the power consumption, okay, in specific time in the day, so they can send this demand response to okay, to your system, and your system get it, grab it, filter, and send the signal control all the customer, right, who want to join the program. And in specific time, I mean the request device, I mean stop, down turn on the device on that time, okay. And that's the purpose of this system. Right here I can build up a lot of the API, for example the enrollment, opt in, opt out, or demand event sent to the backend system, or cancel registration. That's it. And right here you can see two customer right now, they send a real-time signal to the backend, okay. For example, this customer right now they get the signal, okay, request the device stop, but sometimes this customer don't want to join program. They say, okay, I want to out of the program. They do something really simple. They just send, okay, they opt out, okay, the opt out, they only need to send the opt out program. I mean right now they can send the message, okay, and I want to our system, and they click, when they click send, right now you can see the device will stop, and they show you start up device quickly. They send a message to the backend system, backend query, and respond back, okay, opt out. And you see right here they say, okay, this customer, they out of the system, okay, they are out. They still enroll, but they don't want to join the program in this time. So, and the device request device do nothing. They don't control device anymore, okay. For example, but in some another time he want to opt in again, okay. He does say, okay, in again. They just click send this message. Right here I can show you API, but you can use this API for web app, mobile app, whatever to control via through the user interface. Yeah. Okay, for the same customer, you can look at it. I click send, I opt in, and the system respond back quickly. Okay, you say they send to the device. Okay, this opt in, and they continue the control the device. And, the system also respond back into the for customer. Okay, you already opt in successfully, right? And the same thing for this the customer. He opt in right here. Right now he opt in, but what happened? He want to opt out. Right here on the database is set into. And now I had two customer. Each customer they set into the database, and they have the ID, specific ID. And for example, this customer, okay, he has the specific ID right here. I use his ID, and okay, I want to opt out this customer. Okay, let's click send and see how the system right here respond. Okay, and okay, the backend system will query, and they say okay, right, and he opt out. And look at his right here. Right, you say opt out, yeah, respond opt out quickly. Okay, and they can down control device. That's the two example. Okay, how to use the API, send a message to the cloud and control the device. And another is the API can help you to control device. For example, cancel for some time. Sometime this customer he want to cancel a program. So when he cancel a program, for example, this customer cancel a program. So and this API will help you to cancel program and send the signal to the device stop. Okay. Alright. Okay, this one cancel. Let's click send and see how this customer, okay, how status of the equipment, okay, reaction. Let's click yeah, they say cancel, and right here you can say they say cancel, right, and they right now with the system, they say you cannot control the device right now. You do nothing right now, okay? Because they already cancel enrollment, they opt out, everything's out of the program. So it's very beautiful how to control through the cloud, right? And right here I walk you through how the database I use. Right here I use the CosmosDB. The CosmosDB, they use the JSON format, right? All the database in JSON format. The customer say right here, I create a lot of the table right here. So and I build up the query, the store procedure in the CosmosDB, okay, for query and right here I show you one API. Right, another API is for example power company. For example, they want to send the event to our backend system to backend system. So right here they can send it, and the API will have respond to the utility, the power company. Okay, I have some customer, how many customer to join the program, and today for the main event today happen today, okay, and they send, for example, right here, they send the demand event to our system, and our our system will query and calculation. Okay, right now we estimate the number of join program. We don't have people. Estimate we don't have people for join program. Something like that, and all the events will save into right here. You can see right there, and I show you something. I build up the logic in this system. I build a lot the logic, all this logic linked together, and right here they show you means external device. That's the logic how I control the device. Yeah, right here, for example, I got the condition from the event, right? And then I filter the time because the event have they require specific time in the day. They request the device stop. So I use the query. I got the filter right here and put the condition. I got the specific time, begin time and end time. I put the condition right here, and for example, I can build up a lot of condition right here and send signal to the equipments. And about the API right here, I built up I love the API right here because the logic inside the system very complex. So and you had to build up to connect this API to another API, all to link together. So okay. And right here I show you the general architecture and how does this system work. Okay, very basic. You have to build up the first one, the more important thing is right here, the backend system. And here's the data flow for when a user for power company they send something else into the backend system. Right here you can I use the IPAM so on the Azure to handle the API from outside to inside inbound. So I go to the evenhub. From evenhub they use logic app to store the data into the database right here, and database right here use the CosmosDB right here. I show you later. And I build up some store procedure for function, and after that I use the function app to use and query response back, call the API response back into for the user. It's quite, that is how the data flow. And so use the IoT hub on the Azure to control the device and send signal to control device. Okay, and so get the signal back to the database. In the future, I had time, I will build up a Streamlit. It means how to see the visualization of real-time device. But right now, I don't have time to build up a Streamlit. So that's the basic, that's the general architecture for this system. From this API you can build up for the GUI for web app or mobile app and control the device. So the device right here not only is for the home device, for robotics, for mobile robotics, something you can use for lots purpose for your various laws. You can do whatever you want. It's very useful for automation control. Okay, that's it.